Welcome back to EBT Performance Pakenham, the home of Squid Speed Shop. Today, I've got a simple one for you. How much power does a Stage 1 883 make? That's right, I have a 2014 Sportster iron head. So it's an 883. We've got the Stage 1 with Screaming Eagle heavy breather. We also have the Vance & Hines short shots. So let's see how much power a Stage 1 Sportster makes on my dyno. Look, it's not going to set the world on fire. Off the top of my head, stock, they were around, I don't know, 52 horsepower or something. So, it's not going to turn the earth, but nevertheless, this thing needs to be tuned properly, and we'll see how much power it makes. So, let's get after it. All right, guys, I'm interrupting this week's episode. It's an ad. I've got to promote myself, don't I? But we'll get back to it in a minute. Come on down. Get yourself some merch. It's available in store. If you're overseas, shoot me an email at info@ebtpakenham.com.au. We'll be able to sort something out. I've got both of the t-shirts back in stock. The beanies, the crew necks are on their way. And there's a couple other secret things in the pipeline. Going to be ready for summer. You're not going to want to miss them. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Share it with your buddies. It only takes you a second and it helps me out tremendously. I really appreciate all you guys watching. So let's get back to cranking out another high horsepower build. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I've gotten through the runs. I've got everything where I want it to be in the tune, and I'm super happy with the result because it's making more power than a stock one did. And the tune is right. It's running really nice. What more can you ask for? Well, you want to know how much it made? Here it is. We have 60 horsepower and 57 foot-pound of torque. That's what it's making on my dyno today. And you can just see, with it being a stock setup, it's a very broad torque curve, pretty much hovering around 55 to 58 foot-pound all the way. And you can see we get this beautiful 45-degree angle for our horsepower line, which means this thing will feel good. It's going to ride like a champ, and that's what matters. But I just thought it'd be interesting to show you how much a relatively stock Sportster makes on my dyno, just for comparison's sake. So you can compare that to all of the big builds going on, especially a lot of the Gen 2 M8 stuff. There's a ton of that coming out on the channel at the minute because it's the new hotness, and there's plenty of stuff to try and show off with that product. So if you like what you've seen, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your buddies. Get in the comment section. Tell me how much horsepower your Sportster makes. And feel free to come into the store, grab yourself some merch. I've got everything in stock at the minute. The beanies, the gloves, the V-necks, the t-shirts. It's all there. So come on in and pick yourself up an item. And if you'd like to, head over to the social media pages. It's EBT Pakenham on Instagram and on Facebook. And until next week, guys, hooroo!